Proton knife, the most precise machine against cancer. This is not science fiction and not military technology. This is one of the most complex and expensive medical machines ever created by humans. It is often called a proton knife, but in reality, it is a proton therapy system. And it's not a single device. It's an entire engineering complex, the size of a small factory. What is it? Proton therapy is a cancer treatment method that uses accelerated protons, the same physical principles used in particle accelerators. The very same technologies are used at CERN, but here they serve medicine. How it works? Everything starts with ordinary hydrogen. It is ionized, separating positively charged protons. These protons are then accelerated inside a particle accelerator, a cyclotron, to nearly the speed of light. After acceleration, powerful magnetic fields guide the proton beam along a precisely calculated path. Why protons are better? The key advantage is the Bragg peak effect. As protons pass through healthy tissue, they release very little energy, but at a specific, calculated depth, right at the tumor. They release almost all their energy and then stop. This allows doctors to target tumors with extreme precision, minimize damage to healthy tissue, significantly reduce side effects. This is especially critical for children and for brain tumors. The scale of the machine. A proton knife does not fit into one room. A single proton therapy center can occupy up to 2,000 square meters. The massive rotating gantry that directs the beam can weigh 30 to 100 tons and stand as tall as a 3-story building. The walls are made of several meters of special concrete to protect against radiation. Cost. Building a single proton therapy center costs around $300 million, more expensive than constructing a regular hospital. That's why these centers are rare. The treatment itself is also costly. A typical course includes up to 40 sessions and lasts around 8 weeks. The total cost can reach up to $100,000, depending on the country, tumor type, and treatment complexity. In many countries, part of the cost is covered by insurance or government healthcare. Today, around 120 proton therapy centers are operating worldwide. They exist in the USA, Japan, Germany, France, South Korea, and China. In many countries, there is only 1 or 2 such centers. The proton knife is not magic. It is physics, engineering, and medicine, pushed to the absolute limit. One of the few machines where technologies created to study the universe are used to save human lives.